Hey everyone, it's Chris and welcome back to the Ridge. Well, when cold weather rolls in and the leaves start falling here on Sweet Maple Ridge, there's one soup that always hits the spot: chicken corn soup. It's hearty, it's simple, and it's rooted in Appalachian and Amish tradition. Today we're making it from scratch, step by step, and you do not want to miss the one surprising ingredient that takes it all to the next level. Join us!
Sweet Maple Ridge Farms. Come on down, everybody.
All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, all that good stuff. And a big thank you to our junior, mid, and especially our OG Maplers who continue to help take our community to the next level. So we are making the quintessential fall soup. It is called chicken corn soup. Just Google it. It is Northeast staple. Rooted, in Pennsylvania Dutch country, the Amish, and all that. But we do it our way here, and we're going to let you know we make this chicken corn soup when the fall comes. The leaves start changing. You get temperatures start down in the low 40s around here. You know what we're going to be making on the stove is chicken corn soup. It's going to be a down and dirty, quick video on how to do this. Okay, we got a big stock pot here. It's full of water, hot water. We're going to put this on about medium, get this to a simmer, and this is about a gallon of water, I would say, that's in here. So we have 15 chicken bouillon cubes going in there right now. All right, and then about 5 stalks of celery, to include like some of the leafy stuff at the top because there's some really good flavor in there. We're going to let that go for maybe 5 minutes till everything kind of gets translucent. All right, guys, so we have this going. This stuff is looking really good. This was roll and boil for a minute. You don't want to let this roll boil too much. You just want it to be like a real nice simmer. So this is good. I did taste the broth here a second ago, and I added 5 more chicken bouillon cubes, only because I like a pretty strong chicken flavor, but that taste is going to be up to you. So next, we're going to add the chicken. Now, this is chicken that we got from a rotisserie chicken. We just bought it at the grocery store. This is Sweet Maple Ridge. Pick through it, and we are going to add the chicken now. All right, so here's our chicken. We're going to go ahead and add this. We picked through it to make sure there's no bones or anything in there. Just going to dump that right on in there. Let's give that a little stir. The smell of this, guys, is amazing. This soup, I just have to say, is our go-to in fall. We can't recommend enough that you guys try this. It's so good, and the smell of it is really, really, really good. It just reminds us of fall, and we think it's probably one of the best fall soups next to chili. Not that chili's a soup, but that you could have. It just really warms you up, and it goes really good with a grilled cheese sandwich if you like that. So we're going to warm this up. We're going to get this going, and we'll be back in just a minute. All right, guys, the chicken's been in here for a couple minutes. Everything's looking really good. Now we're going to add 6 cans of whole kernel sweet corn. 6 cans drained. We drain the liquid off of this. You're going to add 6 cans here. And I'll be back after I add the rest of it. Okay, so you added all that. Now, the last thing we're going to add in here is 12 hard-boiled eggs cut up in about chunks, like this, okay, with the yolks included. I want to say something about the eggs. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We really appreciate it. A lot of people are like, ooh, why would you put eggs in there? Why would you do that? Blah, blah, blah. You cannot skip this. This is what makes the soup. So I implore you, do not skip the hard-boiled eggs. I'm going to turn it over to Sweet Maple Ridge to try to convince you again, because she was skeptical also.
Yeah, when he first made this for me, I specifically asked if I could have some that did not have the egg in it. But I will say the egg really does make it. It helps the soup to be a little bit creamier, and it really is delicious. So I know it seems a little odd, but give it a shot.
All right, we are going to let this simmer on low, low, low. Don't let this boil anymore. We're going to simmer this on as low as you can with a lid on it for really as long as you need. But let this kind of all come together for at least like an hour before you enjoy it. Very last step that you're going to take here is adding a little bit of parsley to it. So it's going to give it that taste that you really want. So we're going to add a couple scoops here of the corn mixture and all that. And then we're going to take some of this delicious broth. And I'm here to tell you, this is the best thing during the fall and during the winter. So anyway, guys, that's it. That's the video. If you want to be an OG Mapler, like the amazing folks right here, and you want to continue learning how to rely less and create more from high atop the Allegheny Plateau, please like and subscribe. And guys, we'll see you next time out on the ridge. Real quick, guys, we just launched the SMR General Provisions Company, our official store for all things Sweet Maple Ridge. Every shirt's designed by me right here at the Ridge, and they're built around the real-life work and chaos we show here on the Ridge. Each shirt represents a division of Ridge life. We got the Maple division for our sap haulers and our syrup boilers. We got the Vice division for our tobacco growers and plug makers. Of course, we got the Lower Camp division for those folks who are here for the fun and foolishness that we have down at our favorite place to unwind. From our YouTube channel homepage, click the store tab, or you can click the link in the description here. I'll show you how to do it. So what division will you be a part of? Because around here, every division tells a story, and your purchase helps to rep the channel and support our movement. We appreciate everyone, and we'll see you out on the Ridge.